Welcome to the AirSaver F2 mobile cart setup and installation video. Ensure that assembly parts A through I are all accounted for out of the box. Step 1. Combine parts A with C to create two 35-inch posts AC. Next, combine parts B with C to create two 31-inch posts BC. Step 2. Take 8 support brackets D and clip them onto the bottom of the post pieces AC and BC. Use engraved lines on each bottom post as a guide to ensure that the brackets are equally aligned. Note: parts G and H, brake wheels and standard wheels, will only screw into bottom post C. Step 3. Take one of the film shelves E and place the 4 posts into the designated post holes. The shelf will lock into place by the support brackets. Note: place the longer post AC closest together at one end of the shelf, with shorter post BC closest together on the other end. Step 4. Take the standard wheels H and hand screw them onto the shorter post BC. Next, take the brake wheels G and hand screw them onto the longer post AC. Step 5. Take 8 more support brackets D and clip them onto the middle of each post AC and BC. Use the 2 closely spaced lines as a guide to ensure that the brackets are evenly placed. Step 6. Take the last film shelf E and place the 4 posts AC and BC into the designated post holes until the shelf locks into place by the supporting brackets installed on the previous step. Step 7. Take 4 support brackets D and clip them onto the very top of the short post BC. Use 4 more support brackets D to clip below the uppermost closely spaced lines of the long post AC. Step 8. Take the AirSaver shelf F and place it through all 4 posts AC and BC. Step 9. Take the last 4 support brackets D and place them onto the very top of the long post AC. Take the slide bar I and place it through the long post AC. The shelves below can store up to 4 boxes of AirSaver film, saving you additional valuable space in your warehouse. AirSaver is a line of products that places major emphasis on ecological protection and social responsibility. With every purchase of AirSaver products, a portion of the proceeds will be donated to support charities in the areas of environment, education, healthcare, and poverty. For questions or reorders, visit us at www.airsaverpack.com.